Hi, I'm Helena.
And I'm Robbie.
And we're going to play a piece called Scarborough Fair, and a piece we learnt in music. First we're going to tell you a bit of history about this piece. Many hundreds of years ago, the seaside resort of Scarborough was an important place for tradesmen all over England. A song about this place was told from town to town, spreading the lyrics all over Great Britain. There are many versions of this song. It could be about how, in the Middle Ages, people thought that a man should love a lady from a distance. There was hardly a dream that such a love could ever be answered by the lady. People think that the parsley in the song represents taking away bitterness. The sage talks about strength. The rosemary refers to faithfulness, love, and remembrance, and the thyme refers to courage. The writer of the song remains unknown.